kids, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all well. Today we are going to learn sums of addition. I have a question for you all. So, kids, listen carefully. Sam has 4 apples and 5 bananas. Sam has 4 apples and 5 bananas. How many fruits he has? This means Sam has total 4 apples and total 5 bananas. Now we have to evaluate the answer for Sam. We have to evaluate how many fruits he has total. First of all, we have 4 apples, right? And how many bananas Sam has? 5. Very good, 5 bananas. Now, we have to evaluate the answer. So for this we will draw, first of all tell me how many apple is this? 4. Very good. We will draw 4 lines for this. 1 2 3 4. All right, how many bananas are this? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we will count these lines together to evaluate our correct answer. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. Well, now we will count these lines together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9. So Sam has 9 fruits. Yahoo! We evaluate the answer. Thanks for watching.